Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Spotify homepage not loading problem or how to fix Spotify something went wrong error. So here follow the steps. Open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. Here search for Spotify and tap on it. Then click on storage usage and then click on clear data and confirm it. Now go to home. Now tap and hold the Spotify app icon and then click on uninstall and uninstall it. Now restart your device. So you have to restart your device, and after your mobile restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Spotify and install Spotify. And once your Spotify app get installed, you can launch it and check Spotify homepage not loading problem is fixed or not, or Spotify something went wrong error is fixed or not. So that all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.